Hey guys, welcome to our cabin tour of 12116, an inside cabin located right at the front of deck 12 on IONA. We had it set up as 2 twin beds, but you can have it made up as a large double if you choose so. It's a decent sized telly. Lots of channels on there. You can look at your onboard account, view the ship's webcam, etc. Located under that is the little minibar fridge, which is a useful size for putting in your bottles of water and what have you. Bedside table lights have the USB charging sockets on. A useful desk with tea and coffee making facilities. More useful cupboard spaces under the desk. Here's your cubby holes inside your wardrobe with your safe and hairdryer. Plenty of shelving. And here's your wardrobe hanging space with your life jackets stored at the top. You can ask for more hangers if you do need them. Useful hooks on the wall, although we always take our extra magnetic hooks as well just in case. Shower room's a decent size. There's a good size shower with a glass door. No clingy curtains. Hand soap, shower gel and shampoo by the White Company are provided and topped up throughout your stay. Thanks for watching our inside cabin tour. If you'd like to see what our balcony cabin looked like on IONA, click the link in the top corner at the end of the credits. Thanks, bye!